It's Gary Kay. We're here at InfoComm 2014 here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm here with Art Rankin, Senior Director of Audiovisual Technology for Panasonic. Did I get that right?
Yeah, Senior Director of Business Strategy for Audio-Video Technology.
And that encompasses a lot of stuff. First of all, for InfoComm 2014, what do you think of the show? How's your booth doing?
Well, the traffic has been phenomenal, both yesterday and today. As a matter of fact, it's really difficult to get around the booth and get around a lot of the applications that we're showing. So we're extremely pleased with the turnout here at InfoComm, here at our booth and actually in our technology and breakout suites.
You mentioned applications. This booth is very applications oriented. It's hard to actually find specs on products here. You're really pushing the applications of the product. In fact, I just tweeted out the best demo I've seen on the show floor is absolutely your cave, your roller coaster cave. I mean, I like the way that you've put everything together in applications.
Yeah, very immersive experience, isn't it? Now, we're really trying to showcase our short throw projection lens technology in the cave environment. And that's what we want to do, is help businesses, help them be more successful in utilizing AV technology. And we don't just want to be a speeds and feeds manufacturer. And I think that's what you're seeing here with all the application addressed technology that we're showing.
I mean, you got a section on image mapping. You've got a section on applications for short throw. You've got you're showing different ways to use display technology, not just projection display technology. I mean, you're no longer just a projector manufacturer anymore.
Yeah, Gary, thanks for noticing that, because that is a real different makeup of what Panasonic was in the past. We've really embraced over the last couple of years bringing together three core technologies in AV: Pro Video, display, and projector technology. And for the first time in many, many years, we're getting the factories, all the product management teams, and the sales organization talking as one group to be able to bring the best solutions and applications to our customers.
And that actually benefits both the integrator community and the design community, because then they don't have to figure out which department to talk to get information on specifying a product, designing a system. And I also know that you're also doing a lot of support from that standpoint as well, because some of the applications, there's still a lot of simple applications, but as you get into doing caves and you get into doing image mapping and you get into doing simulation, the applications get more complicated.
Yeah, they sure do, and they bring in all the different technologies that we have available to our customers. So for the first time, we brought together common T's and C's, easy and simple ways of doing business with Panasonic across all these products. I'm with the company over 26 years, and it's always been said to me, if we could ever bring the core technologies together as one force, we would be something to be reckoned with. And that's what you're seeing here today. If you have an application, if you have a customer concern, if you have a marketplace that you want to penetrate or grow into, we're the place to come, because we have expertise in all these areas. We're looking to help businesses, not beyond, and integrators, not just in AV, but beyond this, into security, in the mobility space, into the quick serve restaurant space. So we have a lot to offer many integrators and consultants.
It's a testament to what you've done since taking over, and the success you've had is obvious. I think everybody's been very impressed since really the day that you stepped in and kind of took on this role, because you had a lot that you were dealing with. You had this acquisition, the merger, and you had all the technical complexity of that. You're really rolling really well. What can we expect for the rest of 2014, 2015? I know you probably won't tell us what your roadmap is, but what can we expect from Panasonic?
Well, you're going to see, continue to see vertically focused, application-oriented technology being brought to the marketplace. We're going to continue to be strong in education. We're going to drive worship business. We're going to continue our strong commitment to healthcare, to rental and staging, to the consultant marketplace. So wherever those verticals are going, wherever the long-term play is to support those customers, is what you're going to be delivering. We have a strong mantra here at PSCNA, and that's voice of the customer. So we're intently listening. Our factory members, if you notice here, they're all engaged with customers.
They're walking around, yeah.
They're walking around, they're engaged with customers, they have a lot of meetings, they're setting up subsequent meetings in the field. They want to hear from customers, and they want to develop technology that's specifically generated for the U.S. marketplace and the vertical customers in that space.
Well, first of all, thanks for joining me, because I know you're extremely busy. Congratulations on your booth. It looks phenomenal, and the success with all the new products. Especially, you need to pay attention to the short throw lens technology that Panasonic's brought out. They have the widest range, the widest product line. I mean, you got products not just for K through 12. You got products all the way for simulation applications as well. So if you haven't had a chance to come here and check out the booth, come to the Panasonic booth. And of course, if you're watching this after the show, all you got to do is go in the upper right-hand corner, type in Panasonic in the video search window, and you can see all the videos we shot on every new product that they launched here at the show. Art, thank you very much for joining us today, and congratulations. We're going to keep making our way around the show floor to make sure we see and talk to everyone who matters.